And now, ladies and gentlemen, the show that shines the spotlight on healthy eating, The Nutrition Magician, with your host, Guy Maxwell. Hey, friends. Guy Maxwell here with a revolutionary new nutritional product that you've got to see to believe. Friends, how many times has this happened to you? You're running around all day, at work, at school, or at play, and when your day's done, you realize you've eaten maybe 2 fruits or vegetables tops. Follow me. Happens a lot, am I right? And we all know that a healthy diet contains 5 to 9 servings of fruits and vegetables every day. 5 to 9, people. Do any of us get more than 2 or 3 a day? Be honest now. Heck no! But it's so important to our health. Folks, fruits and vegetables contain the powerful antioxidants and phytochemicals that help keep our immune system healthy and strong. They're also a vital source for the essential nutrients our body needs every day. So the question is, how can we be sure we're getting these important elements into our diet? Friends, what would you say if I offered you a quick, convenient, easy-to-take formula that contained a veritable who's who of the farmer's market? I'm talking about apple, blueberry, cranberry, elderberry, grape and grapeseed, banana and kiwi. Well, what would you say? We also have celery, green beans, carrots, cabbage, and cauliflower. Have I got your attention now? Super. But hold the phone, folks, because we ain't done yet. Because I'm also going to add raspberry, lime, prune, red pepper, parsley, and zucchini. How's that for a little produce pick-me-up, huh? Count 'em, friends. 18 of your produce section's finest, right here in one convenient serving. Are you ready to experience the nutritional power of 18 fruits and vegetables? Huh? Introducing Nature's 18. All the fruits and vegetables that nature has to offer in one convenient supplement. That's right. No cutting, no dicing, no slicing, no juicing, no blending. In no time, you can provide your mind and body with 18 different fruits and vegetables. Now, I'm not suggesting that Nature's 18 should replace the fruits and veggies in your diet, but if you're not eating enough, then who is? There's no better way to round out your diet than this powerful little supplement. New Nature's 18 from Forever Living Products. Thank you, Rex Vaughn, for this incredible new way to help get our daily fruits and vegetables. And thank you all for joining me here on The Nutrition Magician. I'm Guy Maxwell saying goodbye and good nutrition. So long, everyone.